turns out that I can actually fit underneath the new bed that I got, so I can play hide and seek properly now. I am so excited. So, yeah, my dad already tried coming in here and trying to find me and stuff, because my brother knows that I'm down here. And so, after my mom's done with whatever she's doing, he's gonna get my mom to try to come find me. And I'll be sure to videotape that, video that experience for you guys, so that it's awesome. Like, my brother said that I should try to grab my dad's feet, but I don't want to be mean. I also don't want to get my hand broken. So I'll just do that with my mom because she's a big old scaredy cat. And honestly, I love scaring people. It's one of my hobbies. So around me that I can now play hide and seek. This is so great. Okay. Alrighty, so I wasn't able to record my mom's, reaction to this because, well, she did come over here, but it was quick enough to where, like, when she was in the hallway, she looked under the bed immediately, and it completely ruined it. So bad. Like, my brother made her come over. I still grabbed her foot. She, like, hopped onto my bed. But nonetheless, so the big reveal. What does the bed look like? So this is what my bed looks like. It is tall, like, honestly, I'd say it's literally right at my hip. It's a plush mattress. Sorry, my hands are blue because I'm cleaning my room. So, yeah, don't worry. Like, these are brand new gloves. So, yeah, anyway, like, I wear gloves when I clean my room just because of, past experiences. It grosses me out. So, yeah. Anyhow, and this is what my room currently looks like right now. Sorry if I'm going too fast for some of you. And then also just underneath for you to see how I can fit underneath my bed. Alrighty. Here. Okay. So have to squeeze a little bit. But yeah. So I'm able to fit underneath my bed just fine. I can even go further back if I wanted to because the holes that are down here for extra support, they're wide enough apart to where I can just slide on through. So I can go further back. If I wanted to, I can curl up under here, and as long as I have like a blanket coming down to like right here, I can still make out people coming near, but they can't see me. So I'll be making those modifications soon. Yeah. So that is it for right now. I will let you know how everything else is going in a bit.